Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that you might encounter while working with C and C++ coding. So in this scenario, the problem arises when using the flush function in a particular way, and the behavior seems to differ based on how you compile the code. Now, let's dive into the solution for this issue. According to the C99 standard documentation for flush, if the stream you're trying to flush is not open or the most recent operation was not output, the behavior is considered undefined. This historical aspect of the C standard has led to varied behaviors in different implementations, resulting in unexpected outcomes like the one you observed when compiling with sanitizers. Solution time. The key takeaway here is to make sure you're only calling flush on an open output stream to avoid running into undefined behavior. By adhering to the standards and ensuring the stream is in the correct state, you can expect consistent results across different compilation settings. In summary, navigating the intricacies of C and C++ standards can lead to unexpected behaviors like what we saw with flush in this case. Remember to always double-check your code against the language standards to avoid running into undefined behavior. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding adventures you've had. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!